Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror, and seeing those frustrating gaps in your hair starting to close. Imagine feeling a part line that is actually getting tighter. We are trapped in a billion-dollar industry of expensive serums and chemical promises that often deliver nothing but frustration. Yet, one of the most clinically compelling solutions for hair regrowth might already be in your kitchen. Hello, global health family. Welcome to Dr.PureHealth. Today, we are breaking through the marketing noise to bring you the definitive medical-grade breakdown on rosemary oil for hair growth. If you are tired of magic pills and value verified, evidence-based medical guidance to improve your health naturally, consider subscribing to our family. By joining us, you tell us that you value true knowledge over marketing hype. Let's continue. Over the next few minutes, we will cover the actual science, the exact dilution ratios needed to save your scalp, and critically, the timeline of when you can realistically expect to see gaps closing. To understand why rosemary works, we must first accept why hair falls out. Many forms of hair thinning, including pattern baldness, are rooted in poor microcirculation. The follicle is essentially being starved of its nutrient supply line. Rosemary essential oil contains powerful compounds, particularly carnosic acid. Early evidence shows it induces a powerful medical process called vasodilation. Think of it as widening the supply highway. More oxygen, more vitamins, and more minerals reach the factory, which is your follicle. Now, is this folklore or is it medicine? This is the study that changed everything. A seminal 2015 randomized clinical trial put rosemary oil head-to-head against Minoxidil, 2%, the gold standard pharmaceutical treatment. The results, after 6 months, were startling. Rosemary performed similarly to Minoxidil in increasing hair count. But, critically, the rosemary group reported significantly less scalp itching and irritation. This offers an incredible natural alternative. But, and this is a critical medical but, it only works if you use the right type of oil. And, more importantly, use it correctly. Most people get this wrong. Welcome to the Practical Lab. This is where we ensure safety and potency. If you take this bottle of raw, pure rosemary essential oil and apply it directly to your thinning gaps, you risk severe chemical burns, inflammation, and, paradoxically, worse hair fall due to acute scalp stress. Pure rosemary essential oil is steam-distilled medicine. It requires roughly 100 pounds of plant material to create just 1 pound of oil. It is highly concentrated, volatile medicine. We must use a carrier oil. A carrier oil acts as the delivery vehicle, safely bringing those essential carnosic molecules to the follicle, while nourishing the scalp and preventing irritation. The medical standard for safe scalp dilution is a 2% concentration. This is the density formula. For every 1 tablespoon, roughly 15 milliliters, of your chosen carrier oil, add exactly 3 drops of pure rosemary essential oil. Which carrier oil should you choose? For oily or normal scalps, I recommend jojoba oil, as it closely mimics your scalp's natural sebum. For dry scalps, coconut oil or argan oil provide excellent nourishment. Now, application. Consistency is the key. You want to apply this mixture to your scalp, not just the hair shafts. Use a dropper. Massage it in gently. This massage also assists in vasodilation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. You can even leave it on overnight. Then, wash thoroughly with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Perform this density routine 3 times per week. Here is the truth about the result timeline. The human hair growth cycle cannot be rushed. In that clinical trial, no significant results were seen by month 3. Neither group won. The victory comes at month 6. What you will notice first, by month 1, decreased scalp itching. By month 2, it stabilizes scalp pH, and you may observe less hair in the shower drain. By month 3 or 4, dormant follicles successfully start producing new shafts. Look for fine, soft baby hairs, the vellus hairs, emerging in the gaps. Peak rosemary results emerge from month 6 onwards. This is when those soft baby hairs strengthen into terminal, thick hairs, and visible regrowth becomes evident. However, topicals can only cure so much. If your hair fall is due to a nutrient deficiency, like iron, zinc, or vitamin D, or managing chronic stress, no oil can overcome that internal starve state. If you see no change by month 4 of disciplined use, you must look inward. Fuel your follicles from the inside with a nutrient-rich diet and consult your physician for a full blood panel. Natural medicine requires patience and precision, but the medical evidence for rosemary oil is compelling. It is a cost-effective, clinically backed alternative that treats your scalp with dignity. A subscription to Dr.PureHealth is a small gesture that supports our mission, delivering verified clinical knowledge to a global audience. Help us maintain this knowledge base. Please share this guide with anyone you know who is struggling with hair gaps. And if you've had success or challenges on your journey, let us know in the comments below. We read them. This is Dr. Pure Health. Be well.